two fundamentals of batting are a stable base and level eyes. We have been talking about Shamil Hussain and why he's getting out in the manner he is getting out. The number one thing is when the ball is being released, he's not stable. He's still moving while the bowler is delivering the ball. And the other thing what he's not doing right is that his head is falling. And when your head is falling, it's very difficult for you to know where the length of the bowler is, where the line of the bowler is. So as a batter, it's very important to have a stable base, and the trigger movement needs to stop before the ball is being released. So of course, the head movement, it's not easy to work while you're in a tournament, while you're in a competition. But what he can do definitely in between the tournament is that when the bowler is about to deliver the ball, he's very stable and his eyes are leveled, whether his head is there or there, but at least the base needs to be stable and he should be still before the ball is being released.